Hello, hello. I don't know why my voice cracked there. Okay. I'm hearing myself 2 times. What tab? Okay, there we go. So, welcome everybody. Hey Marley. I am streaming for a collab. Hey Sukime. Hey Cussy. My dog. So, I will be doing another Pass the Project challenge, which is where there are a certain number of devs. In this case, there's 6 devs. And basically, in this one, we have 10 hours each to work on the project, and you pass it around to the next dev with no communication. So I received this project and with absolutely no details on what it is. So I have 10 hours to make it better. I got a headache right now. Wait. The moment I said that, I got a headache. Yeah, so I only played it for like a bit just to see if it worked. And let me just start the timer. How's everyone doing? Or the stopwatch, I suppose. All right. So I basically just have to make this better, and there's a lot that's wrong. It's not great. It's not great. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Now let's play it. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so it's pretty impressive. I'm the 4th dev, so let's say around 30 hours have been put into this game by 3 different people. So it's like a little superhero thing. We have some cave physics, which I think is cool. I don't know how they added that, but I'd be interested to learn how. Then I don't know why the cape is like clipping near the head there. Basically, you can fly around. Oh, wow, I did not expect that. Okay, so basically it flies around in the direction of the camera. And then there's like tiny instructions out in the top right. So put out fires so we can fly fast. I do like that. However, I feel like it does take some time to warm up, like that animation for flying. It just doesn't seem very natural. Also, this character is a little weird in general. Then put out fires using the left mouse click. So there's a fire. Oh, this is a barrel. Oh. I guess this replenishes the amount of water I have. Okay. So I have to put out the fire. Oh, I put it out. Okay, that worked. There's no really end goal, I think. And I think they're using like AI for these little vehicles flying around, although they do fly through the things. Through the buildings. Hey Jackson Academy, what's up? Hey Scaffold, sorry. Thank you, I appreciate the support. Hey Jacob, hey Wajiha. Sorry if I pronounced something wrong. Intercept missiles by running into them. Now that's one thing I don't understand. How do I know when missiles are coming, and how do I get there on time? Like, I see the missiles, I just don't know how to get there. No, Bargy. Put here. I'm not doing that. I'll put your face in the spaceship guy. So you're the evil person, not the superhero. Well, you can't even look at the person. Like, the camera doesn't even let you look at the person. What I don't understand is how I intercept missiles. And these guys are just flying around. This is a very depressing city. I don't even know if I'm allowed to use assets. Because these all seem to be like custom assets. I am learning Blender though. Yeah, the trail is nice. I like that. Yeah, the missiles just sometimes explode randomly. I don't really know, like that explosion, but I don't, how do you even catch that on time? Oh, there's a fire. Let me. Oh, whoa, oh. I just discovered a bug. Whoa! if you go fast while spraying water. Oh, shoot. Wow. Okay. Pro Builder. Oh, I think I used that once. I don't really. It's so dark. I can't even see the buildings. Ah! Wait, I've been learning Blender and now I'm confused on how to navigate Unity. I didn't do any of this, Alec. This is someone just gave me this project. 3 people worked on it and I have to add stuff to it for the next 10 hours. Fun. Wait, how much time has passed? 5 minutes have passed. I'm wasting time. Yeah, they use Pro Builder. So for the AI navigation, I'm curious how they did that. Areas. I mean, do we really need nav mesh if it's just clipping through the buildings anyway? Okay, so we're using let's see. Oh wait, I need to blow my nose. Sorry about that. Ow. Okay. Let's see. Wow. Delete that. So we have a couple of player states. I don't know. I just got this project. I'll have to see how they did it. Okay. My nose is fine. Just checking. Okay, let's see. So we have physics here. Oh wow, this actually looks kind of neat for considering. So we have Hey Live and Reloaded. I'm also on Twitch. No, I just got this project. It's a challenge. I don't know. I have to like add on to the project without knowing what they did. I'm not sure yet. I want to make it fun though. Right now it's not really working. There's 2 more devs after me, luckily. I'm not the last one. Okay, I'm gonna focus on this because I can't read the chat and read the code. Okay, so we have 3 different states. Player anim control. Get shit in the middle. On state enter. Oh wow, they did a state machine. Okay. If idle, update the camera distance and the offset, which is a serialized field. Oh boy. They put it all in the same script. I guess it's fine for 10 hours, but I feel like we don't need like this whole state switch machine for this simple kind of control. Okay. Play, fly, start. Alright, so this is also has states. So play idle. If the current state is play idle. I don't understand why we're checking if the current state, if we are calling this function with the assumption that that current state is the fly state. It just seems like a waste of checking. And then we just call the animation. We could have made this one function and just called that with the new state, or I don't know. Okay, I'm just being hypercritical. No, I don't work for a company. I work for myself. Shoot key. Okay, so there's shoot key. All right. Handle input is being called on the update, and then there's a fixed update. Handle movement, and then timer. Have more repeats and different in content. Well, yeah, and the content I edit out when I do clamp the input to 1. Oh. Okay. Can we just take the magnitude? Oh no, wait. But the input's only 0 or 1. Oh, I guess this is for like a direct when going. I think that's for when it's going diagonally. Oh, do you like my cursor? I made it pink. I also updated my ignore that. My profile picture. I did a commission. How do you like it? I like it. It's cute. Okay, let me just check to see if that's right. Jackson. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, that's so the I think that's so the I'm gonna send it to him. Okay, so I think that's so the diagonal is not so fast. Project on plane, transform forward times, vector 3 forward. Physics. I'm just kidding, Bargy. Well, thanks for the donation. Even though it has nothing, the comment has nothing to do with me, but I'll take it. That's funny. Okay, so calculate camera direction and rotation on the world plane. Project onto the plane. I've never used this function. Project a vector onto a plane defined by normal orthogonal to the plane. The vector and the plane that we want to. So vector 3 up. Why can't we just take the main camera transform forward? Why do we have to multiply the rotation? Bart, shut the fuck up. Oh, excuse my language. I can't focus on this. Well, I told you, but you're working on your pogo game. Finish your pogo game. I'm gonna get strong. Why am I all the way over here? Do I need to do that? No, it's the other way. Okay, here. Well, thanks for $5. Thank you. All right. Well, anyways, I don't really understand why they're doing this, but it's like look towards, but in a different way. Look forwards and then upwards. Okay. Oh, thanks for 5 more. I think this is the most donations I've gotten on a stream. 1,000 games? Oh my god. Well, I do need more practice making games. Thanks for the donation. Wait, it's cutting off your name. The Soul of a Mortal? Oh, that's an interesting name. I made like $12 already. I'll cover my new ChatGPT subscription soon. I think I have ChatGPT open on this tab just in case. Is it actually really cool? I used it for some color schemes today. I asked it some color schemes based on some existing color schemes. Okay. Move towards from the current to the rotation. Yo, what the heck is this? I feel like this is E something. E, but does anyone know? ChatGPT. Hey. Why do they do e to the power of here? No! Damn it. I press enter. Okay, anyways, this is great. Well, they're really trying to be neat, but a lot of this stuff is very kind of inefficient. Especially the states considering. I mean, it's good practice, the states, but then you might as well put it in different functions. I'm just gonna spend the first little while just understanding what's going on here and then criticizing. Thanks for no 14. I haven't even done anything this stream. Sure, I want to collab. I just saw your channel. I don't know why I wasn't subscribed. Oh, you're the Scratch guy. I see your stuff sometimes. I've never tried Scratch. I know like Polymars is Scratch. Sure, let's do something. I don't know anything about Scratch though. Is used as a smoothing facet. Is changed. I get that. Returns the value of a mathematical to the power of e. I get that, but why did they use it? Gives a value that approaches 1 as time passes. Whoa! I feel like this is actually a smart answer. Wait. By multiplying... I'm not even working on the project. I'm just trying to understand the math. MK Herox on Twitch. Yeah, $20 for ChatGPT Plus. I just paid it. It answers way faster though. And it hasn't gone down for me, so... Yeah, so people on the Twitch, on my YouTube chat, people are donating to me just to have a conversation between themselves, which I appreciate the donations. But it's just funny because the conversation is. But yeah, sure. Let's Jackson. Please message me somewhere. I don't know, Discord. By multiplying 10 by time dot negative time, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm not focused. By Thanks. Thanks, Soul of Immortal, for the $2 more. Yo, what is going on? My water almost fell. I can't even focus. I just want to understand why they did this. Specs? What do you mean by that? Is that like a Discord command? By multiplying negative 10 by time dot delta time, the expression calculates a negative value that becomes next negative. Negative 10 times delta time. The value is in pasta, which returns a positive value that approaches 0 as time passes. Ah, I see. So this approaches 0, and by approaching 0, this goes to 1. So it goes from 0 to 1, and once it's at 1, it completes the slurp rotation to the target rotation. But I guess number 10 is just a random value they chose. So negative 10 times the delta time is the time between the frames. But why does it say... Why does it become less negative? Why does it... Should be using this money on my streams. Sam is a... You do stream sometime. You streamed a lot with the ABCD series thing you were doing. Oh, my dog is so cute. Calculates a negative value becomes less negative because times the positive value since the last frame was rendered. Control the rate of change. Yeah. By multiplying produces a negative value. Since the negative value is being scaled by the positive value. I thought, yo, am I just, delta time stayed around the same value if the frame rate isn't changing. Frame rate can fluctuate. Is 10. Is literally not making any sense. Negative 10 times time delta time times the delta times is so it is smooth, and so maybe I should just try and understand this after. This thing is changing its answer, bro. Don't give me this. Alright, anyways. Heli. Alright, so these are the missile thing. How much time has passed? And I'm 23 minutes and I'm just not doing anything. Have fun. Oh, that's great. Car controller. What? Random pathfinding. Raycast for target. Hit. Forwards. Out hit. If. Move to target. Else if. I tried. Yeah, the things are going through the buildings. Move to target. All right, target direction, single step, new direction. I know you know, like you're going to, you're going to. How is this moving? Raycast for target. Move to target. Okay, this is being called every frame. Oh, this is being called every frame. Jacob, you should do whatever you want. If you want to, just do it. I think the slurp follows an exponential curve. Is to keep the frame rate independent, and 10 is just speed. Linear. Oh, okay. So I'm just overthinking it. Thanks. Water. Oh, this is the water script. Barty and his amazing Unity knowledge. He's schooling me on this math equations. Cool, I did a tutorial on this. Hope they followed my tutorial. Okay, this is the fire. The fire has health. Particle system. Ah! Okay. Let's see the fires. Where's the fire? Yeah, I mean, they only had 10 hours. This whole scripts are kind of weird. Okay. How do I... Oh, Alright, so let me get this straight. It's just a sphere collider and a fire, and you just put the fire on the location. Rate over time equals fire emission amount scale. Oh, so the scale. I don't feel like this is necessary, but okay. What is going on here? Oh my god. What is going on? This is a huge... What? Alright. Thanks, Live and Reloaded. I hope you're able to understand the input systems. We do have a Discord where you can ask questions. Oh, they're literally just cubes. Can I use assets? Question. I didn't ask that. All right, so basically the AI doesn't work. We're just putting out fires. I have no idea what missiles there are being talked about. Here's the missile script. On collision, enter. Oh wait, why is? Okay, I like to have the update more to the top, but what is going on here? What in the tornation? If the position Y is greater than the turning height, or we're turning, else fly straight up. What? Oh, the missiles create fires. I did not get that from the gameplay. Also, it's because these guys are so low. Why are they down there? You know, if you're gonna like blow a building, you would do it, I feel like set fire to a building. That was about to sound sus. Ask what you want to happen. What I want to happen is that's a great question actually. What is this? The missile? Okay, well this doesn't really make sense, but fixed update. Okay, so where is this getting instantiated? In the fire spawner. So it gets reference to all the buildings. What? Why are we making a new list when we already have the array? It's okay. It's okay. We can just do buildings equals all buildings dot to actually this is not a good way to do that actually. Oh yeah, here we go. New list of game objects. Pass in all buildings. There we go. I'm not even doing anything. I'm just. Oh, hey, Jason. What's up? Funny you say that because the teacher was teaching me Discord and asked the question, and not one person helped. Oh, did you go to my Discord? I mean, there's a lot of people asking on Discord. So, and it's not like we're infinite people, right? Like we just can't spend our whole day answering questions on Discord because it does take a long time. Building register itself with a static list on the building class, then you can iterate the active buildings as each one self registers. Is that like a factory kind of thing? I don't think that's a factory, right? A factory is... Nah. Okay, so if current fire equals null, it just keeps on firing missiles? constantly. A random building which will cause it to... Alright, so basically a Superman game where we want to save the buildings on fire. Okay. Alright. Yeah, this person's using and this person... I'm just... Okay. Alright, so I get the gist of it. I still don't know how they're doing the cape thing. I'm actually curious. Hey. What you say? What you go? What you wanna go? Ooh. Okay, the trails are simple. It's just a trail render. I'm wondering how they do the cape. Just out of pure curiosity. What they do to that? Cape is a cloth. Oh, I've never used the Unity cloth. Okay. You just attach a cloth to it. Oh, that's neat. Okay. Now it's just a static list. A factory pattern is a class that constructs other objects. Decoupling instantiation to be a runtime operation. Decoupling instantiation. Okay. I got you. I'm gonna have to look that up. Sometimes, like, if I don't use a programming pattern in a while, I just kind of forget. Although I do have that book, the game programming patterns. I think I just need to program more. All right, what do we do? What are we doing? How much time? Okay, 35 minutes have passed. Which is fine. There's so much time. I'll also be taking a break in the middle of this just to... Live and reloaded on Twitch. I mean, I don't know what to say because this. I receive so many messages that at some point, like, you can't see them all. You know. Like, I rely on the mods and the code helpers to answer questions just because there's too many things going on the Discord. Like, you can't expect someone to answer. All right. Okay. I am browsing the Unity store. I'm actually logging in right now. But is this Elden Ring? Yeah. This is the sequel. All right, let's see here. Kryptonite. Am I allowed to use assets? This is a free asset. I just want a skybox because this is so depressing. Oh, hey, Geeksy bro, what's up? What's up? What is up? Okay, you are no longer deciding on compile time, but letting yourself decide what it makes it run. Ah, I see. That makes sense. So if you write new, it's hard-coded and you can't change what the new is. But if you make a method called create, it can swap what the new is by swapping the class / the implementation. Oh, hey, Mr. Nibbles. Hey, Chris Watts. I think I need to lower the air conditioner. Create the new, we can change. If you make a method called create, you can swap what the new is by swapping the class. Okay, so once I import the skybox, it's just so depressing, this scene. I can't even like focus on it. Like if we're gonna like, I'm not making this from scratch, right? Like, look, there's cities. Kenny has some cities we can use. Look how easy it is. All we gotta do is use these cities. It's not that hard. Hey, Anthony. Hey, Crosscoder. What's up, everyone? Okay, this is actually pretty big. Oh, because it's 4K. That was not a smart choice on my part. Okay, I'm going for the low-hanging fruit right now because I don't. Okay, I'm kind of regretting the skybox. Ugh. All right, so let's car. I mean, why don't we just do spaceships? Thank God for these assets. All right, so. Oh, hey, Games Plus James, what's up? Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I should not have imported this. All right. Just extracting things. Yeah, the package manager for me is a little cluttered ever since they combined the assets into it. My computer's just like, I can't do anything. All right, so we're gonna add spaceships. Cool, he has a package to donate to Syria and Turkey. Yeah, that sucks. Another person told me about that. That sucks that happened. Condolences to everyone who was affected. I don't watch the news, so I don't find out about things until someone tells me. Because all the news is just depressing for no reason. I mean, no. I don't want to watch depressing things. Alright, I can now erase most of these. I just, whoa. That's... I like that one. Alright, now I can... Oh. For this one, the HDR. How do I use the HDRs and... Oh, it's just the same thing. What is this? Alright, so great. Let's go back to our scene. And now let's erase all of these things we don't need. Go to edit project settings. Linear. No, I don't want to change it. Alright, so I'm just gonna delete these because they take up a lot of space. Alright, so we're going for some kind of sci-fi thing here. Alright. I don't even have any version control on this. I hope nothing goes wrong. Alright, so let's put in some models. Alright, so all these buildings are... This is the main building. Is there... Oh, it just has... So the only thing about these is they just have box colliders and they're tagged building. Okay, so... Maybe just like... This... Oh, hey, Anton, what's up? Control K. Whoa! What is this? Oh. Cool. I didn't know about this. Visit a rigid body. Oh. Helipad? Oh, wow. Very cool. I don't know why the skybox... Hey, Jacob. I don't know, the challenge is 10 hours. I'm like 40 to 50 minutes in. I haven't really done anything, but it's okay. There we go. How do I make the skybox That's why there's a plane here. What? Okay, now we're in Mars. Okay. We're in Mars. Thank you. We're in Mars. This guy. Let's just do 40. All right. Ugh. Why do you feel like you are wanting you? Why do you feel this way? Let's see. Why is the scene so dark? This is new. Oh, this is 2022. I have not used 2022 before. Ooh. Cool. Question. Why is it scene so dark? Input system enable if you're not using the player input component. I'm like wondering why the scene view is so dark. Yeah. Let's see. Wait, let's be smart. Say it again. Wait, you go and love you 40. Every night you go and dance again. I know you want your fool. And you go and see again. Let you go and love you going. I don't wanna go and dance again. You know you got me fool. Buildings. Yes, I'm tired of setting the values over and over again. All right, then here, let's just do building and then add box colliders. Right. Great. So I feel like they're a little big. Right, maybe like 35. Yeah, that's better. The game is I have 10 hours to work on the game. 9 hours now. It's a superhero game where you're trying to so now I get the fog, but I just feel like it's too much. There we go. It's just so I know. Faster than a bird. Faster than a plane. I don't really know how to design this. Just do like random. I never wanna see every light. I wanna dance all night. I wanna cry inside. I'm just wondering why the scene view is like so dark. Hey Cesar. I grew up with Spanish. I'm Hispanic. Like native. Unity, why is my scene view dark? My scene is too dark. Oh wait. Where do window lighting? Where's the lighting? Where is the lighting? Here it is. Okay. Oh, it's so red. Bottom right. Hmm. Oh, hey, Pigoma, what's up? Yeah, I'm going for some Mars. Building on Mars. Weird. Look. This is when Elon Musk succeeds in his Mars expedition, and then now we have a city in Mars. Now we have to defend it from aliens. That's what that's the new vibe I'm going for. It's just so dark. I can't really, like, I'm having a hard time seeing what's going on. All right, so I got these buildings. Great. Doesn't look amazing, but whatever. Now the buildings go under the buildings. The main building should must be in the middle somewhere. Here. Ah! And let's put this here. Kinda. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Let's just gonna put this here. The main building. We want to make it the biggest one, right? I'm wondering why it doesn't start at the... Actually, why don't we make this the main building? No. Why don't we make the main building more appealing? I guess it doesn't have to be appealing. The fog is also messing with you because light is going... Excuse me. Krypton. Oh, is that a game? I thought y'all were saying kryptonite. I don't know what Krypton is. I didn't know it was an actual game. What is that? Is that a game? I don't know. Is that a game? Maybe not. Whatever. Okay, so I put some buildings. I didn't plan something though. Those weird water barrels that would spawn where... Oh, I can't fly through the building. That's good. The fog. Okay. Where's the fog? Oh, I see. Thank you. Oh wait, no, but... Oh yeah, now I see it in the... Okay, that's much better. Now the light is just horrible. The lights are too bright now. Thank you, mid-game. Now I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Ooh, that water stuff. The water container spawner. Where does it choose where to spawn? Spawn height. Huh. Water. Oh my god. Where are these waters being spawned? Oy, I don't know. Hey, King Bling. King Bling, sorry. I think I messed up all the spawn areas for the fires. I think it looks much more Superman now because it's further away and you can actually fly towards the goal. So it feels more engaging, whereas everything was just very close by before. Let's see, this fog, let's add a collider so you can't fly through it. A fork machine, they're using the Unity cloth component. Yeah, it's real time. Oh shoot, I don't even know where my Twitch chat went. Hey Demi Slav, what's up? Bye Live and Reloaded on Twitch. Forgot I had the Twitch chat. Okay, so now I don't know where these things are spawning. Oh, the missiles spawn randomly? What? Oh, it's probably hard-coded. Oh. No. Alright, so let's make this more fun. So I wanted to spawn on top of the buildings. They're all boxes. Actually, it shouldn't spawn on this one. Should the water barrels be on the buildings? Or should it be so that there's like a specific area you need to go to refill the water? What is parachute for? This is the missile. This is the water container. What if I just put these? They're already particles when I fly. I didn't put them though, but there are. Alright, so let's switch this up a little bit. I'm not gonna spawn it, and it's not because I'm lazy in figuring out how to spawn it. Maybe a little. But let's actually make these. I've never used Unity's cloth components, so I cannot answer that. Alright, water container main. So let's just original, and then let's make a empty game object called water containers. Alright, so see ya, Jacob. So then let's just drop . What is this one? The main? Yeah. How's everyone doing? So I'm thinking, instead of spawning the water, have there be certain spots that you can go to get water all the time. I don't know if that's the best option, and I definitely need to make the city bigger. But I think it would, because there's just a lot of stuff being spawned. Maybe if something remains static, you know, that might be more engaging, challenging. Not sure. I want to make the city bigger. So go into the, I'm gonna remove this. No, I shouldn't remove that. Yeah, there's Magica Cloth too, which I did review on one of my videos once. Like in one of their sales that it was on sale. And it was really good. I liked it a lot. It was easy to use. And a lot of customization options and whatnot. And this is like programmer art here. When you see your love and it's shining right and you wanna see your heart, you go with love and you need her right and you wanna see your heart. Cause I you to go with love. Oh, da, 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 da. You don't wanna say your love. You don't wanna feel your heart. I wanna see your heart shine. I wanna hear the sound. Hey, big daddy game dev. I was hesitant to say your name. Okay. This is expert level design here, folks. Only on my channel. Only on my channel can you get this amazing whatever the heck this is. I don't even know. This is blasphemy. This is what this is. Alright, so these are the water things. Let's see if they work in refilling the water. I also don't know why it starts over here, but okay. Okay, so we have the water areas. Oh, I see. So they have some functionality in them. Great. Let's see. So on collision enter. Why is the parachute off? Oh, I see. They were destroying the game object if it was on fire, but I'm just like rewriting all the scripts. Nothing can stop me. All right. So, okay, so these water container scripts, I don't know. I don't know why I can't disable it. Let's, we don't need this component. Then I guess it's on the player. I don't know why. Where's the... Okay, there's no water container spawner. Now, my question is... Here we go. Water gun. Ah. I didn't know the player had a water gun. The Joker. Thank you. I feel like everyone always leaves the visuals for last in these challenges, and then I try to add visuals. Although, in 2 of the collabs I've done, people don't appreciate my additions. Oh well. So, okay, so we have the water gun. It's destroying it, but it's filling it. So we don't want to destroy that. Let's disable it. Or not disable it, but I had an idea. So let's actually, yes, let's actually have this public void disable parachute. Parachute dot disable. Oh, I don't have. What is it? Oh. Do I not have a... I don't. Oh, shoot. Okay, water gun and water container. I don't have IntelliSense for some reason. Edit. No, assets, open C# Pro. Make this so complicated and passive. That is mean. Alright, let's see now. I have it. Parachute dot enable. Okay, dot disable. Okay. Well, it has a... Oh, okay. Active equals false. I get confused between components and the objects themselves. Okay. Oh, it's set active. Dang it. All right, so now we do collision.gameObject.getComponent, get the water container attached to it, and then call disable parachute instead of destroying it. And then here, let's do an IE numerator, reset parachute, yield return, wait for parachute, and then let's set it active again. All right, so I don't need this. I can do start coroutine and whatever. Put that function there, and then here let's do a private wait for seconds, wait for parachute equals new wait for seconds, and let's give it, actually I don't like this. No, let's make it random. New wait for seconds, and then let's do random dot range, and let's do between like 5 to 20 seconds. Maybe. What things are you planning on adding? I just want to make it fun. Right now I'm changing the water stuff so that it doesn't spawn, but it's always there. But once you select it, you need to wait a certain time before refilling the water. So now I have to add that script. Sometimes the IntelliSense doesn't like work, so I just close out of VS Code and then go to Assets, Open C# project, and it just starts working again. So actually going to add in that water container, and dang nabbit, to assign the parachute because I removed it. So I'm not really a fan of this, but whatever. Alright, so now we have the water containers. And yeah, I mean, the juice is why people click on the game, right? All right, good. Now let's just wait until that. All right, see it respond back, and great, that works. Now let's add where's the capsule collider? That's Well, for now we can just do capsule colliders. So. Hey Ledger Dev, what's up? Oh, okay. Hi, I gotta go, bye. See ya. Alright, so that's fine. Now let's figure out the fires. Where they are. Because, I think the fires are... thought the missiles came from the ships, so that's one thing I don't understand. Okay, so these are random explosions, right? Let's just elevate them a little bit more. So I think I'm just gonna redo this part because I don't really know. What's going on? The buildings. Where are the buildings? Oh, the fire spanner has the building. Oh, there's no building manager. Like static list of game object, and let's call this buildings. I know it's static. So the buildings, so the building manager. I'm just gonna remove all these buildings. Actually, if it's static, I can't do that. Alright, and then I'm just gonna lock that in the inspector. Drag all the buildings into there. Okay, so we have our buildings. Now our fire spawner. This will be a direct dependency. Actually, how do we want to do this? The building. Yeah, let's do a fire spawner that has the reference to the buildings. So, building manager. Serialized field. At least they're using serialized field. Private building manager buildings. Building manager. Okay. Oh, hey Jose, how are you doing? I'm doing swell. All right. Actually, I might need that. Let's see. Do a curtain yield return null wait for a sec new. I mean, I could do a helper method. Random dot range between 5 and 20 seconds, like the other one. Then we can do fire missile. If current missile, then fire missile. Do while current, this could go wrong. While current fire missile does not equal null and does not equal null. So if one of these is false, yield return basically we want to wait until the previous missile is done, and then if it's done, then we fire that missile, and then we wait for a while. So then we can do start coroutine, and then call that building manager dot buildings dot count building manager dot buildings. Susie. It is difficult. A lot of it comes down to discipline. It's not that the idea is boring per se, but maybe you get bored of working on it for so long. Well, that's also, it's important to play test the idea and design it, like come up with the game design so it's actually fun to play and you're not actually working on a boring game that no one wants to play, right? So at some point, it's discipline if you want to make it happen. Just gonna have to pace yourself, plan ahead, don't overscope, use planning, project planning things like Trello. Fire random missile. Are really boring to me. Well, then play a lot of games and find inspiration from other people. And just build upon ideas, join game jams with themes that make you think. Alright, I want to see if this fire... My Twitch has 7 viewers. Yay! How much does my YouTube? I don't know. 39. 39 people. Alright. Why is some things on the ground here? The water containers are way too low. What? What? Why is the water container? Oh, because I'm accidentally on the... Oh. Alright. I want to make these glow. Alright, so how do I find the fires? Instantiate a missile. Oh, so it's missiles that are instantiated. What's... This is the fire spawner. So... I would think the missiles would come from the ships themselves, but okay. I don't have a reference to the building manager.
Oops, oopsie doopsie. Oopsie doopsie. Oopsies. Oopsie doopsies. Oopsies.
Alright, so I'm going to change these so these come from the vehicles themselves. Right? Oh, hey, Dev Delver. What's up on Twitch? Good, working on another collab. Saturday fun. Where are the... Where are the fires? Where are the fires? Missile dot. Okay, what is this missile called? Missile. It's called missile. So I should be saying missiles, but nothing is spawning. So something is going horribly wrong here. And the problem is that the fire spawner is disabled. Wow, okay. Where's the fires? Where are the missiles? Where's anything? Where I don't know. I'm gonna see it because the fires might be too small. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's oops. It's too small. Oh, much better. All right, so the fire particles. We're gonna make big. Where are they? Okay, this is the middle. All right, so let's copy that component. And then under the fire particles, we're gonna paste. Woo! I don't really use writer. I tried it, but I found it so complicated. I kept saying all my code was wrong. Break from my Amalgam project to work on some comic stuff. Nice. Oh, hey, Geek Zebra on Twitch. Alright, so I think the fires are working. And now they'll be more visible. It should be scaled. The thing is the missiles. I don't even know where the missiles are. Oh. I see. So the missile, when it crashes, oh, thanks Chris for following. So the contact point, we don't want it to spawn on the contact point. We want it to spawn on the collision.gameObject.transform.position. This is gonna be just the vector3.up. All right. And for the fire, we can just do a box collider, right? Ooh, da, 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 da. Ooh. This again that you want. Everything else you want. When you want. Everything you do, I do. I know when you going through. And I you say you go, you do. It's okay. Did I say Krypton already? I don't know what that means. These console errors that make no sense. I guess now ultimate res. Yeah, this is another Blackthorn prod challenge. Go. Although I am doing a collab soon. Actually, it's already underway. That okay, basically we want to spawn it in the middle of the building. The only problem with this is the size doesn't change depending on the building. Hey, Kinko. So, vector 3. And then we can do fire spawn position dot y plus equals half of the size of the collider. So now we can do that and maybe even scale it. Are you planning to work on a big solo indie game? I want to. But I want to update some stuff first on the website I'm working on. Alright, let's see here. How much time has passed? Almost 2 hours? Where is the fire? Took way too long. Let's fire one at the start. Let's see how that looks. Ooh. Wow. It's definitely on fire. For some reason, it's not spawning. In the middle. Hmm. Is the center point of the fire correct? Well, the center point is the center point of this. So it's spawning here, but it's not adding in that box collider size. My trusty debug.log to the rescue. What do you have to tell me today? $1.28. That's not right. Considering the size is actually 1.28. Could it be that the size isn't dependent on the scale? We can do, oh wait, times collision dot game object, transform dot local scale dot y. the issue is that the fire should be spawning in the middle of the building, but it's not. Oh, okay, that fixed it. I had to multiply it by the local scale because the collider isn't. All right, and so now does increasing this scale increase the fire particle? No. It's just the problem is for the scale for the fire, I have to take into account the scale of the building. So, assuming the fire has a fire script, let's make these two public. Ooh, I know.
Ew, public variables.
Then we can do fire .get component fire. We can do dot transform dot scale equals actually I wonder what happens if I just set the scale to the same thing. Chloe on Twitch, does the fire have an offset? Take the collider center into account. Yeah, collider center was at the bottom. Oh no, wait. Ooh. Such violence. Let's see. So we have the fire and we have the smoke. These are the scales. And then the scale of the building is what? 35. So it has nothing to do with it. Okay, well. Should I even, for the fire spawner, I shouldn't do this while loop and wait until the previous one is done. But I should give it some more time than between the fires. Spaghetti code, yeah. I mean, the naming conventions are all over the place. The fire looks tasty. Where you're looking at box collider size and center. Oh, okay. I mean, it works. It works. It's good enough for now. The only thing is I want to test it in like these more thick buildings. Like the thicker buildings. Get component fire. Oh, I'm setting the fire. Damn. That fire particles. And then here's smoke particles. Ooh, say you fire. You know you're going to love you anymore. Mm-hmm. But I like something. Whoa. It's huge. What you gonna say now? Everyone is going with a little clown. You be looking at you. You be looking at you. Ooh, ooh. Why you gotta say? Why you gotta play today? Why you gotta go inside? Why you gotta go inside? It's too big. Vector 3, fire scale equals. Yeah, equals the time. And then let's just set the values. Then let's I guess we can do like so the fire we'd want to increase it on the X. Okay, we want to make it uniform. So that's uniform now. Great. So we want to increase it uniformly. Times equals. And we can do the scale. So let's say, let's see, this example, this scale is like intent. This scale is like 35, 58. So the bigger the scale, the bigger you want to make it. So, assuming most buildings are uniform, we can just times it, but 58 is too much. So let's divide it by a value. The last game I played, I think it was Riders Republic on the PlayStation 5. 50. Let's just put some arbitrary value here. Arbitrary value based on existing building sizes. And then we can set the scales back. So this will scale the fires to match the sizes of the building. And these will spawn the fires in the middle of the building it collided with. Where'd it go? Oh no, it's too small. All right. Let's put it 20. Oh yeah, 50 might be too big. Let's put it 10. Yeah, 50 is too much. Just spit everywhere. I don't know why this is not... The fire doesn't spawn immediately. Oh, because the missile has to reach it. Oh, there it is. Well, that one's perfect. Alright, let's see another one. Let's see. What's the next one? Oh, thanks, Bruce. I actually over-edited that one. But... Alright, that one's good too. I'm trying to wait for bigger building here. I think the game looks much better though. When I opened it up, I was like, ugh. I hope I'm not the last dev, because this is just horrendous. Superman. Oh, thanks, Nomad. Glad you found it useful. I was watching some tutorials the other day and I was like, getting ideas on how I can make mine better. Why does it take so long? I should add a little helper function here. Fire spawner. ChatGPT, help me out. How can I add a function that can be called the Unity inspector with a button click for testing? Da-na-na-na. No. I mean, the button is in the inspector itself. Or some way to call the from the inspector. No, this isn't a regular stream. This is a collab I'm doing past the project. I got a project with no information and I have 10 hours to add on to it. No, there's like a thing. Ah, damn it, ChatGPT. Unity, add, call function from inspector easily. Oh, it's this one. Haha. Okay, context menu. Fire debug. Now you just use the context menu attribute. Which, by the way, let me just make that easier. Basically just lets you call a function by clicking. I think for that I need to just do, there we go. Boom. Oh look, I finally saw the missile. I literally have not seen it this entire time. Oh, there it is. I don't think it looks bad. Oh wow, that one's... It doesn't look bad. That missile, though, is very small. I literally did not know it existed. All right, let's see where it is. I like how I like the little... Hmm? See? This one's not showing. Oh wait. This one's 35. Needs a little more. All right, so this is horrible. Whatever. If is greater than some threshold, let's say like 30. Oh, I sneeze. Then let's times this by 3. Bless me. That's funny. Why did I change my YouTube avatar? Because I got bored of the other one. Do you like it? It's so cute. Oh, it looks a little smaller on the little thing, but... Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, let's just... Just some arbitrary values. So the bigger it is, the more it goes into 25. Let's put 20 here. The previous one was better. I mean, I got bored of it.
Well, it doesn't matter what you're used to. It's my profile picture.
But the artist is good on both. I just wanted something more me. The other one didn't really feel like me. It was a great artist, but I didn't really feel attached to it. Seem any bigger? This is 35. It's just huge. See, even if this is big, it's just the scale isn't matching. So what am I gonna do? Make it smaller. And not worry about that as much right now. Hey, Roland. Hey, dipped over. Who was the artist? Well, they're still working on my thing. Minth. I was gonna post it after they were done. But here you go. Easy buttons. Oh, that's interesting. Have I learned C# before? No, I learned C# with Unity, but I already knew programming before that. If that makes sense. So once you know one program, it's easy to do the others. This building is kind of weird. All right, so we know it works. My dog is so sleepy. Come here. Come here. Hey, baby. All right, so that works. Now I want to make the missile. Also, IDBB, I didn't mean to sound like when I said it's my profile picture, I didn't mean to sound condescending or anyway. I'm just saying. He's so funny. He's so sleepy. Alright. Now I want to make the things come out from the ships. These weird ships. By the way. Puppy. Shih Tzu. Thank you. I've like made this into this weird sci-fi thing. Ooh, would be cool to have meteors crashing down. That'd be fun. Meteors crashing down randomly. Let's see what else comes in this pack. Let's just add this here for fun. Oh, good night, Roland. Friend, buonanotte. Buonanotte? I don't know. Okay, so actually, this is neat. So we can go into our missile. And let's actually call this rocket. Oh, that's why this is like weird. Let's try again. All right, so okay. I wonder why this doesn't come with one that's together. All right. Something just fell. There we go. Now, why is this stuff here? Dang it. I was just remembering the start of the stream. That was funny. When people were donating and having a conversation that had nothing to do with me in the donation. That was hilarious. That was funny. I don't think. Alright. I think a capsule collider would make sense here. Oh god. Alright, so now our missile looks a little nicer. Okay. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Right, so we spawn. No, wait, we don't spawn here. Where's the player? They're supposed to be on here. Uh, 180. What? Where's the virtual camera aiming at? I'm also not a fan of this. Camera. So now after fixing this camera here real quick, let's see. Okay, maybe it's, we can do it on this side. No, actually 0.5 seems better. Maybe like 0.75 actually. There we go, that looks a little nicer. Then I'm guessing the camera. It's getting changed somewhere. There's the default and then there's the fly distance. But usually what you can do is just have the default virtual camera. And you have like a fly virtual camera. This makes it easier to adjust the different values. So we got the default and then we got the 0, and then we can do is default VCam, do flying VCam. We can do is if we're in idle, then priority equals 1 and the fly VCam priority equals 0. So basically, instead of adjusting the distance and the object and the offset on the cameras, we can just have two different virtual cameras and swap between them. And Cinemachine has a very nice smooth between the two cameras, or blend per se. You can even do it with an animation graph, which I do have a video on. And so by switching the priorities, we can swap between the different cameras easily without needing to kind of hard code the values in the code here. So you have the fly one and then we have this one. And for the flying one, you'll see that now when we press play, we just fly normally, but when we fly, it's just those default values. So basically what was being adjusted was the distance, right? The distance to the player. So I think oh well. So I think a distance of 6 is fine. Hey Ripper Junkie. Anthony, I'm not gonna answer that. Julia. There's something I remember. Shoot, that's not what I meant. There's something I remember that happens when you switch between two cameras and inherit position. There we go. So basically, because the two mouse positions are different on the cameras, it's freaking out every time you transition from the camera. But the trick is you just have to select the inherit position option, and then it inherits the camera's position of the previous thing. What am I doing? Oh, here we go. I think the camera distance is... We can do that, maybe. And the look ahead time can be... a little less. Looks much better. All right, let's copy this. Paste the values. Then under the default fly camera, let's also make sure to inherit the position. Why I want you, Sam. I don't care. Go on. Go somewhere else. This is actually a nice little, like... How do I disable this here? This is like a nice little, like, screenshot. Okay, so now I want to fix the... How long has it been? 2:30. I want to fix the... the ships, the AI, and then I want to make the missiles come out of the ships. And I also want meteors to run down. So fix car AI. Make missiles come out of ship, Adds... I think there are sound effects. Yeah, this is going to be available later. And there's going to be like a little summary of the final video on Blackthorn Prod's channel in a while. There's 2 more devs after me, so it's going to take a bit, but... All right, so the water thing. Oh, that's another thing. The water gun is water gained. The current water is not at the max water for some reason, so let's just change that real quick. Alright, that works. Is it decreasing over time? Oh no, it decreases. One thing I was asking myself, for the water gun, how are they... How does it know? Oh, I see. It has a collision to it. On particle collision. Ah, I didn't see you could. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, that's interesting. So that's how it knows the particles are colliding with the fire, and we can put out the fire. So let's like, oh, what happened there? How was it working for a second? And now it's refill the water. There we go. Now we got, I don't think it refilled the water. Whee! Where'd the parachute go? Oh, okay. Something's wrong. When you get near the water, it's not filling it up. Mm-hmm. Fill water, current value plus water gained. If the public boolean can get water equals true, set a boolean here. Can get water equals false, and then can get water equals true. So basically we are making sure that you can't get water from the water refill station if it's disabled. And container water container equals water container equals if water container can get water. If we're able to get water, then we disable it, else we can't do anything. Hey Stellar, what's up? Yeah, I think it looks better than when I got it, at least. All right, let's see. Huh. Let's see. The collider is too small. Yoo-hoo. And water container. Ta-da. Yeah. Okay, so this one's the trigger. put it around here. Make it bigger. All right. So once we clash with this water thing, we should be able to get the water. I mean, huh? Nutty. Nutty. Here's the player. Here's the player. All right. Oh, the prefab did an update. Hmm. 429. 429. What? Hmm? Oh, I have different things going on here. Do. All right, should be this one. Ugh. Okay, cool. Do. Ah! Put it there. Put it there. Put it there. All right. They're not the most spaced out, but there we go. Kind of. Needs definitely some tweaking, but whatever. All right, so that's should work now. Let's test it. There we go. Now it should go back. Okay. So I'm gonna use the restroom for 1 second. It's been like 3 hours. 1 second. Let's see which is it. That's the wrong one. Oop. CSGMB, of course. Krypton, the home planet of Superman. Oh, is that what it is? I definitely didn't do it intentionally. Hope I don't get IP copyrighted. Oh no! Alright, so... Let's see... Alright, still this guy. One time I had it on autoplay and it started playing a non-streaming song and then I got copyrighted. It's annoying. Alright, so... I don't know why this error came up here. So for the ships, like 1 hour, I'm gonna have to take out my doggy. It's been like, what? It's only been like 3 hours and I have 7 more hours to work on this. I already did so much in 3 hours. Alright, let's see these silly cars. Oop. Bigger than I thought. Alright. We are not using that. Alright. We are going to be using... Would it be funny to like put some little aliens? Yo yo yo! Like a random Easter egg thing or something. I don't know. Or I can leave it to the next person to figure out. The aliens are attacking. Aliens. Mipton, the home planet of Superman's evil cousin, Chrisman. I ran out of water. Shoot. I wonder if there's an easy way to copy an object but place it where your cursor is. Actually, Unity, I feel like, doesn't really have a good option for placing new items where the cursor is. There was an asset that I had called Peak for this, but they deprecated it from the store for some reason. No, I'm gonna have to take breaks because I have to take out my dog. I want to finish this today though. Also, I don't have to work the full 10 hours. I just have 10 hours to work on it, technically. So I'm just gonna do as much as I can today. Because I wasn't planning on working on this more than one day. I got stuff to do. Things to learn, places to see, animes to watch. I don't know why I'm adding this, just a little fun Easter egg thing. Hey, Jose Pina. What animes am I watching? Delver on Twitch. You're not watching Young and Restless all day? What is that? Is that a thing? The show. I mostly only watch animated stuff. I tried to watch a non-animated thing on Netflix yesterday. Juvenile, something like a K-pop drama about juvenile delinquents, but it stressed me out in like the first 10 minutes, so I took it off. I was like, this is so depressing. Not for me. I'm watching a lot of stuff. Actually, get caught up to things too quickly, and then I'm just waiting for weeks to see one episode. It's kind of annoying. It's annoying that I watch too much anime. I'm watching like Blue Lock, Irumakun and the Demon School, Owl House. Oh, that was kind of a whistle. No, is that like an American cartoon? I usually don't watch the American cartoon. That sounds so... I don't know, like American cartoons are... I don't know the word for it. I just get annoyed when I watch them. Maybe I haven't given them a chance. When I was small, I was fine. But now I'm like, I don't know the English word for it. In Spanish, I would say pesado, like grotesque, or they're very like the characters just like projectile vomit all the time and scream at each other. I'm like, what's the point? I'm gonna get some water real quick. I might also stream later this week because I have to do another collab. This time it's a collab that the video is going to be on my channel. Usually it's on other channels, but I also take more inspiration from anime at times. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I can't stand like the Rick and Morty stuff. Like, no offense. It's just like so like eyeballs are popping out all the time, like gross things. And I'm just like, oh my god, I can't. I had to map out my anime, updated evenly throughout the week. Yeah, I'm like, oh, I've watched all the anime. What do I watch now? What was it? Owl House and... Alright, I'll take that into account then. Alright, so I kind of get off track. I also tend to sit with my back scrunched because of the mic here. So I'm gonna put the mic higher so I can like force myself to be better postured. Yeah, I just spit water everywhere. Lovely. I should mute my mic doing that. How the other is annoying me. All right, so what do we got? What do we got? Sear the ships. All right, for the ships, trying to see the relative size here. So let's put it next to one of these buildings. All right, so maybe it's just like That's too big. 8, 7. Okay. All right. So the random cars. Where are they? What? Excuse me. All right, so these are tagged as car. No? No, they're not. They just have like a random path finding. Avoid the no spawn area. I think it's this one. Paste component values. Where are we doing this? Children of Morta hates me now. Enemies keep dropping. Nothing but keys for chests. Any spawning, any chest. Is that like a dungeon game? I'm not sure. I don't really play those kind of games. Right, so where are we spawning the cars? Car controller. These aren't car controller. Okay, so where are we? Where are we sorta? There's the missile. I know there's the file spawner. Okay, so right now they're literally not doing anything. The ships. They're just loitering, to say the least. For example, let's put some here. That's what I wanted to fix. Make the ships actually do something. Alright, so the ships are moving, I think. Yeah, they are moving. I think they still like crash into things though. Maybe. Also, these don't have box colliders on them. The pathfinding isn't bad. It's not great. Is there a nav mesh? It doesn't use nav mesh, but for some reason there is a nav mesh area. I'm not sure why. Or maybe not. I don't know, this thing just keeps popping up. It's annoying. Okay, there we go. No, because this is Anthony. Stop asking questions. I have no idea why I think I'm a little dehydrated actually. Ooh, I went on a trip recently and I was dehydrated. I don't think I've been hydrating properly. Alright, so, do these things actually, like, work? Let's see. Let's put this guy in front. Was that a coincidence? You know, I want to see if it's actually... Oh, it is working. No, it's not. Oh, this is the main building. And the pathfinding is being like... Maybe it was used and deleted. Yeah, I'm not sure. Well... Find random target inside a radius. Alright, that's normal. How large is a sphere? Find random target. Radius 9. Let's see. Radius. Unity drawings. Radius 250. Okay, I guess I just want to see what game is this? This is a game about life on Mars. I'm just it's a game about... Oh, I put the wrong radius. It's a challenge. Wait. One second. I'm just looking up something. Ooh, this song slaps. Neozoid. Give me 1 minute. It's a pass the project challenge. So 6 devs on it, 10 hours per dev. Each dev works on it, a random thing, and then passes it on to the next dev. Without any communication. So, what went through? So I received this like 3 hours ago without any communication, and I've just been adding stuff that I see should be added, or what I think would be added, should be added. All right. No. No. Damn it. Now YouTube is gonna be like, copyright. You were playing a copyright song. I thought I put enough songs for it to last, but I guess not. Ugh. How do I repeat a playlist? How do I repeat this? And I pressed it to 1. Yeah. No wonder it was such a good song. Yeah, I clicked it. I think I have to do it with the 1. Oh, only once? Okay, thank you. I'm tired. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yes, I did that. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't know that. Can you do that with cues too, or just playlists? Let's see. Damn, now I might get a copyright strike. It's pretty outside. This is great, but there's move to target. Yeah, this doesn't seem great. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, so playlists only. Oh, cool. Thanks. Can you... the feature is here. Maybe. So cute. I love it. It's my style that I love. Like, I love this kind of comic book character style. And then I added so I commissioned the piece and then I added the background, the purple and the stars and the... All right. Nav mesh agents. If we want to put this to a WebGL, it might be... I guess we can add some to... Right, let's test it. Agent. Do I need to... Alright, let's just try it out. First try without even checking. Jeez, they honk outside so much. I'm sorry, but what? Why is the script lowercase? I think the vehicle script was trying to do that. Was trying to make a better one. The one that was like not being used anywhere. It's using this one, but what is this? Everyone's trying all sorts of things here. Y'all, it's not that complicated. Alright, let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Create a new scene. Alright. No more Google. ChatGPT for the win. Although I can see this getting out of hand with people not understanding what they're doing. But at least it explains. It can help a lot if you do want to actually know what you're doing. It has to be more accurate. Sometimes it's pretty inaccurate. Okay, nav mesh surface. Do you need nav mesh area for flying? I can do pathfinding too. Mesh surface. Is outdated, the ChatGPT. Yeah, I don't know if it lets you do this. Yeah, nav mesh for mid-air. Oh, yay. Oh. Oh my god, I just remembered I forgot to do something a long time ago. You don't want everything you say. 'Cause whenever you're falling down, you want to play. I don't wanna say your name when you love. What you wanted to see you love. You say you go behind your bathroom door. I say you serenity cat in your bathroom door. And you know what you see. Someone you going feel. You know what you wanted. Everything you want is. What you don't want is so. Whenever you don't do. Flying nav mesh agents. Yeah, this isn't really like flying though. Alright. Whatever. What are you saying? I saw. Yeah, it doesn't. Don't worry, ChatGPT is hard at work writing the Raycast version. Although this one could be salvaged. Move to target and then this one isn't bad. Alright, let's see how good this is. I don't even check it. I'm just like, does it work? This doesn't have to be good code. This is just easy code. Okay. Now we add this obstacle layer, which is the building layer. Layer for obstacles. Check for obstacles. Alright, let's make obstacles. So what do you wanna say? Oh, I'm addicted to your love. I know you feel. So what do you want it? You're in on it too. I don't wanna think like you do. Am I using that anywhere? Alright. What do you want to see your love? When are you done? Whatever you wanna know. Addicted to your love. When are you for? 'Cause when I see you. What is this? There's a game manager? No, there's not. mm. Oh, I don't like that, actually. All right. See how much neater this is? I learned Unity. I did a game jam and I just learned it myself. And yeah, I just basically learned it myself. Looking online, joining a game jam, trying out new things, watching tutorials, reading the documentation. Yeah. And I did a CS degree. After the first year in the CS degree is when I learned Unity, so I had some programming experience. The soul of immortal. Just in case ChatGPT comes back for vengeance later for being used for so many questions. What's up, Marley? What's up, Marley? You're sneezing. You wanna pee, Marley? Do you wanna pee, Marley? Oh, wow. Whatever it's doing is not working. Yeah, let's scrap that. A. Flip, flip, flip it, flip, and then you flipping, it's flipping, the flipping, and you going, sticking, and you flipping. You don't even know why you going. flipping. What you saying? What you going? Flipping the flow. I would go and show. Keelan. No, that was ChatGPT's job. That wasn't my job, and it was bad. Say you wanna know it. I think the other one worked pretty well, honestly. No, it didn't repeat. It didn't repeat the playlist. I need to add more of the vehicles to see if they're actually. Ooh, what you saying with the flow? I really want to know everything what's going on. ChatGPT has all the answers now. But are humans doomed? Maybe. Maybe not. Are humans doomed with ChatGPT, or is everything gonna be much better for we? Yikes. Yeah, that's another copyright strike. Hey, what you gonna say? YouTube. Giving you content, please. I need to sneeze. Oh yeah. Bless me. Thank you. To myself. How do you spend your Saturdays? I do a collab challenge, 10 hours to recreate Superman. Wow. So popular. I feel like people are chatting and I'm just too busy putting these little things everywhere. Alright, let's see. You don't need 2022 LTS because it's only 2023. It just started. Usually LTSs, I think, come out like in the middle of the year for the previous year. Whoa. Everyone's going to the center. Everyone's going to the same spot. What? Interesting. Favorite game of all time? I don't really have a favorite, but I like Super Mario 64, Uncharted 2. So I think This is not taking into account the current position. Transform.position. Probably why it's going on to the same point. Yeah, I feel like loading times have gotten longer. I'm not sure why. Oh, thank you, Chris. I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch. Alright, so that fixed that issue. You know, this should be like the origin of the city. Kind of. And oh, I see. I'll move a little more towards the origin. Alright, so with that, we can say somewhere, if random position, okay, wait, if vector 3 dot, oh! What the heck? Where'd everything go? Love when I click something and everything just exits out. If the distance between the random position and the origin, origin equals vector 3 dot 0. And let's set the origin dot y equals to the random position y, so it doesn't take that into account when calculating the distance. So if the distance between the random position and the origin is greater than something, then we want to just keep recalculated, because we want to make sure it doesn't go too far off. Is greater than, let's see, this is 0, kind of. Oh, is this 0? Where is the 0? Zero? Okay. Alright. So this is like 70. Oh wait, is this Y? Okay. That is 300. So from the center. So let's say 400 if we don't want the ships to go everywhere. TLOU. What is that? Oh, The Last of Us. And there's so many acronyms nowadays. I mean, I've never made TLOU like graphics. I'm just beginning to learn Blender, and I usually use pre-existing assets. So, but in the end of the day, it's a tool, and the possibilities of Unity are basically endless. So you can make those graphics. Now, will it be easy? No. Unity has some famous like films. Like for example, like these excuse me, these are made with, this is made in Unity. These like short film, which I actually haven't watched. And this was a few years ago. Oh, that's me. That's funny. This is these aren't recent. So you can definitely get, okay, this is a 10-month one. So you can definitely get to that quality. But it's a lot of work. I think for like cinematic experiences, Unreal out of the box makes it much easier. And with Lumen and Nanite, for like huge worlds, it is it's kind of a game changer. Then again, I haven't like really used these very much. But this is made in Unity, for example. See, it looks real. So yeah, you can. It's just hard. But it's hard anywhere. Like and Unreal is going to be a little easier out of the box because they have a lot of presets and stuff to get you going. And Unity, for like open worlds, you probably have to do a lot of processing for like LEDs to make sure it's performant. I don't know. It's just, you just use whatever you're most comfortable with, because Unreal has a big learning curve, so does Unity. So if you're already experienced in Unity, just use Unity. You could do both on whichever engine. I mean, yeah, it's all up to you how you do the performance of the game. Like, the performance isn't just, if you add a bunch of objects in Unity, it's not just going to be like, okay, I'll give you 60 FPS out of the box. And if you have like a ton of stuff on there, you're going to have to be careful on your scene placement. And AAA studios do this too. They spend a lot of time optimizing and making sure the game runs at a smooth FPS, high smooth FPS, and it does take a while. But they're like experienced teams that build this stuff. What is going on here? Oh, I didn't save this. Please do not. But if you're asking me that question, I assume you're not as experienced in Unity. And I definitely wouldn't start making a TLOU game until many other smaller projects, and even like a release of a full game before that, because that's a lot of work, and it could take several years if you're like a one-person team. I mean, The Last of Us took several years, I'm pretty sure, and they have a AAA team, Naughty Dog, experienced team. And several years, considering you're working on it diligently and don't get discouraged. I hope does this fix itself? Cause I didn't back up this project. You know, give me your number. What? Mom, I'm about to give you a timeout if that's what you're asking. Oh, my dog needs to use the restroom. Come here. He's such a little baby. He's such a baby. Alright, so, let's see the time. It's been around 4 hours. It's 3:46. So let's just put 3:47 past. I'm gonna stop the stream for now because I need to take out my dog. Look how cute. Look how cute this little baby is. Oh, I don't know, I didn't do anything. This just like messed up on its own. But yeah, I'll be back. Maybe today soon or tomorrow. Probably today, because I want to get this over with. Oh, I don't really want to feel like working on it anymore. I guess I'll figure it out. But thanks everyone for joining. I might be back today, if not tomorrow. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, I press Control S every 3 seconds, so that's fine. I just don't want to accidentally ruin the 3 hours of progress that I've made. Oh, so cute. Look how cute with this cutie puppy. This is the cutest thing in the world. No, Marley's cuter than every penguin in the world. You can't convince me otherwise. Where are you going? Oh, the little noises he makes is so cute. Oh, I love him so much.